inside. Keep hands out. Do not operate without 1. Electrical interlock on pulper cover. 2. Electrical interlock on waterpress discharge chute. Covers must be closed and the discharge chute must be in place. The power disconnect to the machine may be provided by the building electric system or by turning the handle of the wall-mounted control box off. To start the system, make sure the main power switch on the wall-mounted control box is in the on position. Close the pulper drain valve by either moving the lever on the manual drain valve to the closed position or by pressing the switch for the motorized drain valve if it is so equipped. Ensure the door on the waterpress is installed. Make sure the cover on the discharge chute is lowered into the closed position. Unlock the stop button by moving the locking lever to the side. The machine begins to fill with water. When the machine has filled to the proper level, the green ready light on the start button will be lit. Press the start button and wait until there is a continuous flow of return water. Begin feeding waste to the pulper down the flush trough. Applications will vary widely. However, the following conditions could occur and should be monitored. The waste system is designed for continuous uniform feeding. The feed rate should not exceed 60 pounds in a 3-minute period. Overfeeding reduces the machine's rated operating capacity. If waste material is delivered in large plastic bags, tear open the bag and feed one at a time. Unopened bags can fill with air and float, hampering machine operations. Foaming is caused by contaminants in the water or by certain materials in the waste, such as glue and corrugated cardboard. A chemical defoaming agent can be added to reduce this condition. Consult your chemical supplier. Do not feed glass or metal containers. Glass and metal containers are highly abrasive and accelerate machine wear. Do not feed rags, mop heads, wooden crates, oyster or clam shells, or heavy uncooked bones into the pulper. The waste system cannot efficiently reduce the volume of these items. Caution! Heavy masonry materials, tramp iron, and other materials of this nature can damage the cutters and seriously impair the pulper's ability to handle materials of any kind. When shutting down for short periods, it is necessary to run the pulper until all the waste has been pumped out of the tank. During normal operations, there should be a strong flow of water returning to the pulper via trough or tray flush from the waterpress. This flow is a clue to the performance of the machine, since a sharp reduction in this flow indicates the pulper is overloaded. If this occurs, stop feeding for a few minutes until the return water resumes its normal flow. Avoid slugging the machine with greasy products or overloading the pulper with bread or pastry. Mix these items with bulky waste such as paper or corrugated boxes. The pulper will always perform better with clean water. It's good practice to drain the machine of dirty water after every meal cycle. It is recommended that the garbage receptacle be no taller than the bottom of the discharge chute. Empty the receptacle whenever necessary. The following shutdown procedure must be followed before performing necessary cleaning and maintenance duties. With the pulper still running, push the empty Run Selector switch to prevent the system to be shut down automatically. The green Start switch light will flash continuously indicating the pulper is in the empty mode. The pulper will stop